Have you ever looked up at the night sky and marveled at the sight of the Milky Way? A shimmering band of light stretched across the heavens, filled with stars, gas, and dust. But have you ever wondered how we managed to photograph this magnificent galaxy while we were already inside it? Our journey begins with the understanding that we are part of an immense cosmic dance. The Milky Way is our galactic home, a spiral galaxy that spans 100,000 light-years in diameter. Positioned in one of its spiral arms, known as the Orion Arm, we find our vantage point. Imagine trying to capture a photograph of a vast, intricate structure while being nestled deep inside it. It's akin to trying to photograph a forest while standing amongst the trees. So, how do we do it? How do we piece together an image of our galaxy from within? The answer lies in the incredible tools of modern astronomy. Ground-based telescopes like those at the Atacama Desert and the Canary Islands offer clear views of the night sky. Space telescopes, such as Hubble and the Spitzer Space Telescope, provide us with images unobstructed by Earth's atmosphere. Astronomers employ a technique known as Mosaic Imaging. They capture thousands of individual images of different parts of the sky. Each snapshot reveals a tiny piece of the puzzle. Through meticulous work, these images are stitched together, creating a comprehensive mosaic of our galaxy. But the magic doesn't stop there. Our eyes can only see a fraction of the Milky Way's glory. Telescopes equipped to detect radio waves, infrared light, and X-rays unveil hidden aspects of our galaxy. Infrared light, for instance, pierces through clouds of gas and dust, revealing stars and structures that would otherwise remain unseen. One of the most fascinating targets for astronomers is the center of the Milky Way. Hidden from view by thick clouds of dust, it can only be observed in infrared and radio wavelengths. Here lies Sagittarius A Star, a supermassive black hole, whose presence shapes the very heart of our galaxy. Interestingly, the task of mapping the Milky Way is not limited to professional astronomers. Enthusiastic amateur astronomers and citizen scientists contribute valuable data. Together, we expand our understanding of the galaxy we call home. The quest to capture the Milky Way is an ongoing journey. Each new discovery, each new image, adds another brushstroke to the grand portrait of our galaxy. It reminds us of our place in the universe, a small but significant part of an ever-expanding cosmic tapestry. So, next time you gaze up at the Milky Way, remember the incredible journey of discovery and innovation that allows us to see our galaxy from within. It's a testament to human curiosity and our unending desire to explore the universe we inhabit. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Milky Way. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. Please leave your curious questions and thoughts in the comments below. Until next time,